Think you know all there is to know about heating systems? Think again. Today, we are diving into some of the biggest myths about heating systems and revealing the truth behind them. Let's start with a classic. Myth number 1. Turning up the thermostat will heat up your home faster. Unfortunately, no. Your heating system works at a constant rate, irrespective of how high you set your thermostat. So, turning it to the max won't heat your home quicker, it will just make your energy bills go up. Here's a sticky one. Myth number 2. Closing vents in unused rooms will save energy. This might seem like common sense, but it's actually harmful. Modern HVAC systems are designed to heat your entire home evenly. Closing vents can cause pressure issues and lead to inefficiency and higher costs in the long run. And now, on to myth number 3. Routine maintenance isn't necessary for new systems. Even new heating systems need regular checkups. Think of it like a car. Regular oil changes keep it running smoothly. Similarly, regular maintenance ensures your heating system runs efficiently and lasts longer. Next, myth number 4. A bigger heating system is always better. This is a big misconception. A system that's too large for your home won't run efficiently and can create uncomfortable temperature fluctuations. Proper sizing, based on your home's insulation and heat load, is key. Finally, myth number 5. You only need to worry about your heating system in the winter. Wrong again. Maintaining your system year-round ensures it's ready for those chilly months. Plus, regular maintenance can help spot issues before they turn into costly repairs. Debunking these myths can help save you money, improve your home's efficiency, and ensure your comfort all year round. Don't let misinformation compromise your comfort. Turn to the experts at Unified Comfort Systems for reliable HVAC solutions that keep your home cozy and efficient.